Here's a Hinkley Sculpt 60-inch ceiling fan that I just installed. Here's the box for it. This is in the brand new, some type of brass finish. And here's the wall control for it. It's actually a remote as well, so I can remove it off the wall just like that. So this is speed 1. There's 6 speeds. It uses the Hinkley Hyro remote control system, which I think is pretty neat. This fan is installed with the no light cap, and I do think it looks better since it has the Maverick design to it. Here's speed 2. Here's speed 3. Here's speed 4. It's a pretty good air mover already. Speed 5. And speed 6. Turning it up to low and then off. Just snaps back into place. Here's also a chandelier that I installed. This is a Crystalrama. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!